2019 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, tow hitch, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, climate control, rear defrost. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.